What's up, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2015 Chevy Traverse. So you come to the passenger side, go ahead and drop this. You're going to see this little knob here, and as well as that one on this side. So basically all you do is get some thumb strength. Jesus. Take some little thumb strength, turn that, pull that on out of there. So that's one. I usually just set it down here on the left side so I know it goes over there. And you got to do the same thing on this side. Twist that. Come on out of there. Oh, that one does not want to come out. The pocket screwdriver in there, let's see. Jesus. So you got to twist that one. That one really didn't want to come up out of there. But you can see there's little knobs. When you twist it, they're little locking tabs. Once you pull that out of there, glove box should drop right down. And this is the cover right here. So on this one, I'm kind of going to need both hands, but you got this tab, that tab, that tab, and that tab. Go to set this up. So you just squeeze them at the same time. And once you finally squeeze them at the same time, you get this out of here, and this pulls out, and this actually sits in a cage. So you pull this on out of the cage, and obviously you're going to want to reinstall the same way that it came out. Let me go ahead and get the new filter. 1 second. So this is the new filter right here. It shows you which way airflow is. So airflow is going down, so you want the arrows pointed down. So you take that and you go ahead and put it back in the cabin filter cage, just like so. And you take that, slide that right back on in there, and you'll hear those clips lock back in place. So locking tabs, boom, that's locked in place. All 4 of those are locked in place, and that's it. Then the next thing you got to do is just install these back. So you just lift up on this some, and let's get closer so you can see. You take that, let's see, it's gonna be that way, and just install that the same way that came out. Twist it. You can see it's holding itself up. So you want this end pointing up. There we go. And that's how you install a cabin filter on a 2015 Chevy Traverse. Or in this case, it's a reverse because it's got the T missing, so you just see the R, so it's a reverse instead of a traverse. Funny joke, huh, guys? But yeah, and that's how you successfully install it. If I helped you guys out, please give me a thumbs up. Yeah, leave a comment. Thanks.